In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Facebook ads for affiliate marketing step by step in 2019. Now, this video is going to be great for you if you're new to running Facebook ads to affiliate offers, or if you already have some experience and just want to learn a thing or two. You're definitely in the right place. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And make sure you subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I release my next video. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into this training. All right, so first things first is actually finding an offer to promote before we actually go set up a Facebook ad, because we were setting up some Facebook ads. What are we going to promote? So what I decided to do is I'm going to pick an offer from ClickBank, which I already have it pre-selected for this video just to speed up the process. But a lot of y'all might know what ClickBank is. ClickBank just like an online network that just has a bunch of informational products that you can go and promote as an affiliate, and it's free to sign up. So if you're new to ClickBank, all you do is just come over to clickbank.com, create an account, and just fill out the 3 steps: personal information, the banking information, and your account information. Confirming in your email, you'll pretty much be good to go. Then all you have to do is just come over to the affiliate marketplace so you can find an offer to promote. First thing I like to do, as soon as I come over to ClickBank, just click on the search bar to bring up all the products sorted by popularity. And we can scroll down. Another thing you can take note of is the gravity, and you can actually sort it by gravity if you wanted to. Gravity is basically the number of affiliates who recently made a sale promoting that offer. So if an offer has a gravity of 140, that means 140 different affiliates recently made a sale promoting this product, and the average per sale is $70. So promoting this offer, you'll get paid $70 for every sale that you generate, which is pretty good, and it's a new weight loss offer. And this is actually the offer that we're going to be using to run throughout the rest of this training video. So what I like to do when I'm looking at an offer is check out the sales page just to make sure it's clean and easy to navigate. And I like sales pages like this just because of the colors. It's cool. It has a video sales letter, which works crazy nowadays. And they have 3 different payment options. So they also have FAQs, things like that, and they can just go and buy it, and you'll go get your commission right after that. Another thing I like to do before I promote an offer, even though the sales page look good, I like to make sure that the affiliate offer has great affiliate tools, because if the offer you promote don't have a good affiliate tools, that means the offer is probably trash, and the vendors haven't put that much work into making sure each affiliate will have success with it. But this one in particular, Lepitox, whatever you want to call it, Lepitox, I think that's how you pronounce it, has a ton of different affiliate tools at your use. As you can see, they got email swipes, banners, product images, keywords, ad headlines, landing pages, written content, and a way you can contact them, which is pretty dang on good, man. So what I'm going to do is, just being with those just two, having a nice sales page and a great affiliate tools page, that's an offer that I would definitely run if I was interested in running weight loss on Facebook ads, you know what I mean? But yeah, after you pick the offer, next thing you want to do is click on the promote button so you can grab your affiliate link, and from right here you just put in your account nickname that you created during the setup. You can put a tracking ID if you want to. I normally don't. And there you just generate hop links, and you could save this right here and paste it in your notes somewhere, so when you're ready to add it to your landing page, you can just copy and paste it real quick without having to come all the way back over here. But now that we got the offer selected, the next thing is actually creating a landing page, like I mentioned a few seconds ago. And to speed up the video, I already made a landing page for this offer. This is pretty much what it looks like. Secret revealed, 5-second hack that kills full cravings. As soon as they click on the picture, it goes straight to the offers. Let me show y'all. Boom. Very, very simple. I made this in ClickFunnels in about 5 or 10 minutes tops. And just for you guys that's watching this video, you can download this landing page as well as all the other landing pages that I use in my YouTube tutorials completely free. You can just click the link in the description below. It should say something like get the landing page mentioned in the video for free. If you're new to ClickFunnels, it just starts you off on a 14-day free trial. And then after that, it'll be $97 per month. And I will get a little commission out of that if you do join through my link. It costs nothing to you, but it helps me out. But once you import it into your ClickFunnels account, you can just pretty much change out everything. Secret revealed. You can change out the image if you want to. You can add a button. And like I mentioned before, going to the marketplace, you'll just grab your hop link or affiliate link, whatever you want to call it, copy it, go to the ClickFunnels and paste it in here. So in the link URL, you just paste it there and click on save. Always preview it once you're done just to make sure all the links work and things like that. And boom. So let's click. Boom. It's actually going to offer and we pretty much get to go. Now we got that out the way. Also went ahead and made a Facebook ad for this. Now this image I got from the affiliate tools page. So like I said, when you promote an offer and it has great affiliate tools like images, ad copies to use, that's normally a great sign. So all I did was come to product images, scroll down right here. All I did was open this image in a new tab. If you're on Mac, you just type in control and just I think it's left click, whatever you want to call it, and then open image in new tab. You can pretty much save it, download it, upload it like that. But I basically went the extra mile and went over to canva.com, saved that image and added a red border just to make it pop even more. Another thing you can do is just take this image too and add a red border to it after you save it. But Canva is like a free alternative to Photoshop. For those that don't know, I've been using this for thumbnails, ad images for the last year or two. So definitely go check this out if you're into running Facebook ads full time. But this is going to be the image that we're going to use for the rest of this tutorial. And this is going to be the landing page that we're going to use. So let me X out of here. Boom. So now we got our offer, we got our landing page, and we have our ad that we're going to use. Now we can actually go over to the Facebook Ads Manager and set this up. Another thing I forgot to mention throughout this video is actually creating a fan page for the offer. I think creating a fan page is probably the easiest thing ever, so I didn't feel the need to add that into the training, but we can name the campaign, let's say YouTube tutorial, just for video sake. I like to campaign objective. I like to do traffic, a bunch of other options you can go with. Not running a video. I'm not looking for post engagement. I'm literally just looking for traffic to my landing page so I can get some sales. I want to turn off campaign budget optimization. Asset name, we just name it asset for now. And ad name, we just name it ad. Click on save to draft. Boom. Once that's loaded, I normally don't touch none of this stuff. I just click on the campaign name and go on to the next step. So let me edit the ad set. Like I said before, I like to change the asset name as I fill out the targeting and things like that. And budget wise, it really just literally depends on your budget. I normally like to start my campaigns at $10 to $30 per day just so I can get data fast and make adjustments quick instead of spending $5 campaigns. That take too long, especially when you're running clickbank offers. You want to get results quick and make some adjustments. But from there, you can scroll down. Locations. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention. Certain, let me see if they have it. Certain offers where people run Facebook ads to it, they actually have like the best demographics, like male or female, desktop, mobile, and the best age group. So I want to see if they have it on their page. I don't think they do, but it's not the end of the world. But I know most weight loss offers is targeted towards, let me go to the landing page. 46-year-olds, so that sounds like an older demographic would probably fit this better. So just looking at the title of the page, 46-year-old mom loses. So this is what I want to target. I want to target 30 and up, all females. Just because it's geared towards weight loss and women. So that's what I do. Language, I do English. United States. You can leave it at the United States, even though United States is the most expensive country to target using Facebook ads. Or you can add in the rest of the tier 1 countries, which is the top English speaking countries. So you could do United Kingdom if you wanted to. I typed in Carolina. Let me see. United States. But yeah, for those who don't know, tier 1 countries, United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Canada, and Australia. So let me punch that in. I obviously can't spell right now. All right, there we go. New Zealand, I'll say Canada, boom, and last but not least, United Kingdom. So now that that's in, our reach so far is at 110 million. Now I'm gonna knock that all the way down because I normally don't, especially when I'm testing. I don't like to target that crazy. So demographics, we can just plug in some interests. I always like to start broad just so I can get some different interests from the suggestions tab. So let me type in weight loss and see what comes up. Extreme weight loss, nope. We can do this one and then look up the suggestions. Jenny Craig, that might be, I might use that as a flex target. So let me see. Plus size clothing, Jenny Craig. So you know what? I'm going to narrow the audience and add in, yep, Women's Health Magazine. I like that. Women's Health Magazine. Let's see what our reach is like now. Okay, perfect. 4.3 million. That's something I would run. But flex targeting is where basically they must be, well, we already did this part, but 30 and over females must be interested in weight loss, and also they must be interested in women's health. So that's what flex targeting is. It just make your ads more detailed. And from there, you can go to edit placements. And I know from experience, mobile devices convert better and it's cheaper. Just being that, I think, I forgot the exact number. Don't quote me, but I think like 70 or 80% of Facebook traffic is coming from mobile devices versus desktop. So that's normally why I always go with mobile news feed. And from here, you can just deselect everything but the news feed. So let me scroll down. I think we deselected. You know, you deselect everything when the box turns gray. So once you do that, I normally don't mess with the other stuff down here. And right now we got a reach of 1.8 million, which is perfect. We got an estimated link clicks of 100 to almost 300 link clicks for, what's our budget? $10 a day. So now we got the ad set figured out. I would do 30 plus tier 1 women mobile. Boom. That's how I would name my ad set. Say I got an error. One or more ads with error. Where is it? You see that I missed something. I don't think I missed nothing. I wonder what they're talking about. I don't think I missed nothing. I think Facebook just tripping. But now we can go to the ad. Forget that part. And we can just pretty much import that image. Let me download it first. Import this image that we made from Canva and the image that we got from the affiliate tools page. So now I already got a Facebook page made for this type of niche to save time and add media, and all I'm about to do is upload that image. All right, so now that the image is uploaded, that's pretty much what it'll look like on the mobile news feed. Now, if you're scrolling on the news feed, you're like, "Damn, what is this?" Even if you ain't know what it was, it's just, you know, got arrows, circles, and red borders and stuff. It's just meant to stop people in their tracks. So now all we need to do is fill in our website URL, which we already made, and add some ad copy. So what I'm about to do is import this, and I'll be right back. All right, so I imported some sample ad copy. Now, this is not an ad copy that I would use exactly, but this is a good start. This 5-second water hack crushes food cravings. Mind you, I got this from the affiliate tools page. So let me show y'all where I got it from. Exactly. Let me see, add headlines. Boom. So I basically just took this and replaced kills with crushes, because I know Facebook sometimes they be tripping over certain keywords that you use in your ad. So I just used it crushes to make it more white hat. And normally I do is I'll probably add in another line or two, but just for the video, I just wanted to show y'all how to set all this stuff up. Then I got the headline right here. I normally would add a couple emojis to make this stand out more, but it says just click here and then limited time only, and boom, they click on learn more. Another thing a lot of people forget to do is make sure their website URL works properly, because there's been time I set up a Facebook ad and my links wasn't working properly and I was wondering why I wasn't getting no clicks. So always preview your URL. So everything is working properly. As you can see, boom, it goes straight to the landing page. And from the landing page, as soon as you click the image, go straight to the offer. But that is pretty much how I would set up the Facebook ad for this ClickBank offer. And we only did this in probably what, 14, 15 minutes. That was pretty quick, man. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video, man. If y'all enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a comment down below if y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns. Now, of course, I would definitely go more and more into detail on how to, you know, exactly how I set up this stuff in detail inside my elite course. So if you're interested in learning how I do this stuff full time with paid traffic and affiliate marketing, definitely go check out my elite course. First link in the description down below. And this is pretty much what the members area look like inside the elite course. I pretty much go over everything I know covering this stuff: affiliate networks, offer selections, Facebook ads, campaign, ads creation, spying, testing, optimization, scaling, Facebook ads, FAQs, the pixels, audiences, landing pages, tracking. Like, it's a lot of content in here, man. I don't know exactly how many hours I put into it, but or how many hours the videos is worth, you know what I mean? But it's a lot of content, man. ClickBank, bonuses, some done for you campaigns, and I always do a recap of everything. But that's pretty much that, man. Go check it out. Got a ton of reviews on the elite course. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.